RVA. Lawn Love.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you the 2019 Toro Timemaster with my initial thoughts and review. Stay tuned. There she is, 2019 Toro Timemaster. Now, is there any difference between the 2019 and the 2018? Of course there is. This one was made later. That's it. Pretty much the same mower. It's just brand new, that's all. So, for those not familiar with the Toro Timemaster, if you have ever had a personal pace mower by Toro at all, that's what this is. So it is the easiest, in my opinion, it is the easiest self-propelled system to use. Now, if you've never used a personal pace system mower before, it's really simple. You know, like I said, the mower's not running, I know this, but if it were, this would be pulled back. And then this right here, this slide, that's your self-propelled, you know, so you can only push it in here and the mower will go on its own. You could push it down to here and it's going to go a lot faster. So it's really, as fast as you go is as hard as you push. It's pretty simple. So it really is, you go at your own personal pace. They couldn't have found a better name for it, because it goes at your pace. There is no just setting it and having the mower pull you all over the yard. The Toro Timemaster is a 30-inch cut, double blade system. Alright, now on a typical mower you have to adjust all four wheels individually to adjust the height, but not on this. On this they have it set up so that this one lever right here will control both wheels. So, you know, here I have it set on A, goes all the way through G. The back is set on A as well. So you can just pull in, drop it down to D, and it drops both wheels at the same time. So, and it's actually really easy too, as opposed to those little fragile handles that they always give you on the you know, the one on each wheel, and you feel like you're going to break it every time you pull it in. These aren't like that. These are nice, thick, rigid levers. It also comes with this right here, which is a quick connect for your hose. You screw your hose, here you go, pops off that easily. Screw your hose into here, and you can just keep it on your hose. When it's ready to go on, just pop that on, start the mower and run the blades, and it cleans out the underside of the deck for you. Now, another nice feature of this mower is it has multiple ways to dispose of your grass clippings. You can side discharge, and the way this works is you just lift this up, you slide that in there, and this rests on top, and you can side discharge. Another thing you can do is bag, and it is a rather large bag at that. And then this right here is a plug, which you would fit in right there, and that's how you can mulch, which is what we will be doing mostly. Another thing, if you happen to buy a Timemaster, they all have this blue sponge. Don't take it out. It's there for a reason. It's there for helping when you store it, if you happen to store it upright. So keep that in there. Now, since this mower is already assembled, you might be asking, what does it take to assemble this? How does it come? Well, I bought mine from a dealer, and part of this service of buying it from a dealer is they called me today and told me that it was all set up and good to go, and they put the oil in it and asked me if I wanted them to put gas in it. So, I mean, great service. And this mower was purchased in Richmond, Virginia at Smith Turf and Irrigation. The guys there are fantastic. Kept me in touch. I ordered it. They didn't have any in stock. They kept in touch with me, giving me updates on when the mower was going to come in. Called me today, like I said it was all ready to go. Asked me if I wanted to put gas in it. Helped me put it in the car. Just ready to go. Can't say enough kind words about them. So if you're in the Central Virginia area, or actually they have other stores as well, but if you're in the area, look up Smith Turf and Irrigation, and anything from Toro. And I mean, I even went and got a bag of 007 with perdiamine, which is going for $55 a bag on the internet. 14 bucks. Can't beat it. Absolutely cannot beat it. So please, please, please check out Smith Turf and Irrigation. They even gave me a couple of these hats, man. Nice guys. Nice guys. So, but like I said, the Timemaster, it comes assembled. The only thing you've got to do is add oil to it, and the handlebars will come folded over, which is another great feature about this. It's so easy to adjust. This blue, push that in. Look, the handle drops down. Another thing you can do, it's difficult to do one-handed. You can keep it like that for storage. You can even take it a step further. And this is how your Timemaster will come in the box.
What's in the box?
Just like that. So whenever you get yours, if it comes in a box, you just open the box, push this blue handle back, pull the handle, and it'll come the rest of the way for you. Let's go ahead and leave it. Like I said, I don't have a camera person helping me out. I'm struggling a little bit. I'm trying to show you guys all the features. So, alright, this is equipped with a blade stop system. So, here, let me go ahead and I've got it. I don't have any fuel in it right now, so I can't start it up for you. But when you're ready to go, pull to start like any other mower. You don't need to squeeze the handle in to start it. This right here on this mower engages the blades. So when you start this mower, you're just starting the engine. And then when you're ready to go, just squeeze that in. See that? See how that hits right here? Prevents you from engaging the blades without using this. Push that in, and then you will slowly bring that in, and you'll hear the blades engage, and then you're cutting grass. And then when your bag is full, or if you just want to stop for a second, you just let go. The motor keeps running, but the blades don't. So that way you could, if you're bagging, you could get right here and change your bag and not have to worry about chopping any toes off or anything like that. When you're ready to turn the mower off, when you're done, just hit right here and it'll shut it off. Pretty simple. And this is what the underside looks like. Both blades, 2-blade system. Man, am I excited to use this thing. And something else that I received, I've been waiting for the mower. Any guesses as to what that is?
What's in the box?
I'm pretty sure a lot of you know, but you're gonna have to wait for a review on that. Well, that's gonna do it for today on the initial review of this mower. Like I said, I'm not gonna put gas in. I'm not gonna cut, nothing to cut right now. Maybe in about 2 weeks, I'm thinking, is when I'm gonna go ahead and start mowing. Throwing that pre-immersion down soon as well. So in Central Virginia, it's a little too chilly right now. Next week, it's supposed to be pretty nice though, warm things up a bit. And winter's gonna be pretty much over after that, I believe. So I think this little cold spell right now is our last blast. So you should be looking down and getting that down pretty soon. As for the mower, hope you guys enjoyed the review. Like I said, I'm going to do a full review on it once I can get to cutting the grass with it and mow it a little bit. And I got another little video coming out too, a little special surprise in the brown box behind it. So look forward to that as well. If you like the video, man, don't forget to give it thumbs up. I thank you for it. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, peace.